just to let you know that, hey, that Almost a One channel, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn it over to the other guy, let him go ahead and do his thing. But the Cooking General now is gonna be on the Cooking General channel. I got my own channel. I must have made it pretty big. Almost a One still gonna exist though. But it's gonna be mostly with blogs, old video footage that I have, and a lot of other things that I have. It's gonna be a lot of good stuff on that channel too. But this channel that you want to see the Cooking General on, it's gonna be on the channel Cooking General. So if you're on this channel right now, you see Almost One, you're like, where's Cooking General, man? Go to the Cooking General. That's where I'm gonna be at. All my videos gonna be on there from here on out. Almost a One is just gonna be a channel that I put most of my memories and a lot of things on. You might still want to check it out. It'll be some interesting stuff. Plus, I might come up with some new ideas on that channel anyway. So y'all stay tuned for the Cooking General. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show you some stuff that I'll be cooking. I'm gonna show you some behind the scenes footage and stuff that I've been cooking that you ain't seen on my channel. So Cooking General, ask somebody.
Yeah, behind the scenes of Cooking General. Yeah, I really do be cooking this stuff. Y'all, I really do be cooking it. You know what I'm saying? This is behind the scenes on probably the frog leg video. And like I said, I'll be making this batter. Like I said, I take my time and I'll be going slow. So I want to get the right coating and the right stick to it. And this is stuff y'all won't get a chance to see. But we got new stuff coming up. Another behind the scenes. Now you can see those frog legs. Oh, I can't really try to show you the batter. The batter on them. As you can see, it really sticks to them a lot better. And see, this is stuff I do behind the scenes because I'm already frying some now. And I got these here already ready. And you see the coating. And that's what I call a restaurant style coating because it's not nothing you can actually do. That's why I have to take my time to make this batter. You see, the Cooking General also makes his own homemade burritos with chili and cheese. This is a homemade chili and the homemade burritos. I stuffed them with everything. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I ain't stopped cooking. Ask somebody. Man, look at that. The Cooking General, like I say, got pig feet, rotel tomatoes. This is just another way. I'm telling you, I can cook anything, any kind of way. And this here, just cooking, and I'm cooking in a slow cooker. Just this. Well, okay, there you go. See that? All right, now, but I'm cooking in a slow cooker, so you can just see just many ways. I mean, there's no limit to a general when it's come to cooking. And then look how golden brown that cornbread look. Look at that. Now this cornbread here is not even a hot water cornbread mix. It's a homemade cornbread that I bet you, I'm gonna put money on it. Nobody ever done this recipe here. And that's on future videos coming up.
Well, finna start again. Finna barbecue for another funeral. Well, here we go again. Finna start barbecuing for another funeral. Oh, Orange Hope.
There you go. Welcome to the Cooking General. This is my chicken and sausage Alfredo. That's a homemade Alfredo sauce. And that's when I invented myself. So it's not nothing you buy in the store. And I made it with spaghetti, which I know you can use noodles and you can use the other ones, but I like it with spaghetti. And then, you know what I'm saying? This garlic toast is bought from the store. But I do be cooking. Cooking General. Ask somebody.